guys. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Erica Nicole. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome back to all of my besties that have been rocking with me from day one. I so appreciate you guys for being here. So y'all, today is Thursday, October 31st. It's Halloween. And so I decided to go ahead and film this unboxing video with you guys. I'm super excited. So a little bit of a backstory before we get into it. So I was recently in Paris and I went to the Chanel store to do some shopping. And so of course, while I was there, I was looking at their bags and everything. And you guys know, like I know, that the Chanel bags come with a very nice, hefty price. And so I saw this bag and it was going for $10,000. And of course, for me, let me just speak for myself. I am not willing to drop those type of coins, those type of cointages on a purse. While I love a good bag, I want something that is, you know, for me within my price range and within my budget of what I'm willing to spend. So, y'all, I was on YouTube and I was checking out one of my girls' videos, and she was sharing a haul, her birthday haul, and she was sharing the things that she had picked up. Y'all, she shared the Tabby bag. And let me tell you something. I hurried up and paused the video very swiftly and went over to the Coach website, because the bag, y'all, is so bad and I had to have it. So that brings us to today, to the unboxing video that I want to share with you guys. So I did receive my bag today. It was delivered via UPS. And of course, it came in the little protective bag here. And y'all, I'm so excited for this bag. So I say all that to say this. I went onto the Coach website because I saw the purse in the Chanel store. And by no means am I saying that this is a dupe. But y'all, for me, it is heavily inspired by the Chanel bag. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Hold on, sis. Hold on, because y'all, this is the 26-inch Tabby, this is the Tabby pillow quilted bag. Y'all, she is stunning. Look at her. With that stunning C on the front, y'all, I promise you, I saw a bag in the Chanel store that looked very, very, very similar to this bag. Now this bag right here, the 26-inch bag, it retailed for $550. While that's still a pretty nice penny for most, right? It's still not even a fraction of the cost of the bag that was in the Chanel store. Y'all, she is absolutely stunning. Let me go ahead and remove off all of the paper and everything, because I really want you guys to see the full detail of this bag. Of course, I want to try it on for you guys as well, so that you can see, you know, the couple of different ways that you can wear it. I feel like this is the type of bag that you can dress up, you can dress it down. Like, she is just absolutely stunning. And I know that the Tabby bag has been out for a little bit now. The very first Tabby bag that I saw was the blue jean quilted bag. And that bag seemed to have taken the internet by storm. And so when they came out, like with the complete line of the Tabby bags, I was like, I'm so here for it, especially after seeing that bag in the Chanel store. I also feel like Coach has really stepped up their game here within the past, I don't know, 6 to 9 months. Like they are really showing out with, you know, the designs. I feel like they're a lot more elevated than what they have been. I feel like they are really paying attention to the market and just really giving us what we want and what is going to sell, what's going to make a difference, what is going to get and keep our attention. I think that Coach has really stepped up their game with that. I've always liked Coach, but I haven't had, I've never had a Coach bag, right? So this is my very first, no, I'm lying. Years ago, like maybe 15 years ago, I had a Coach bag. But it's been years since I've had one. So you guys, this is what it looks like. I took off all of the wrapping, still has the tag, but disregard that. But that is what it looks like, guys. This right here, of course, the flap, it opens on the front here. And don't be fooled. This bag, to me, is very spacious on the inside. This could literally be your everyday bag. It's definitely going to be an everyday bag for me. You have this compartment right here. Then you also have another compartment back there. And then you have this little section right here where you can, you know, open up the zipper to like put your credit cards and things like that in there, your money or whatever. So I think, in my opinion, that it is a very spacious bag. And then you also have another compartment right here at the very front of the bag to where you can also put additional items. So I think that this bag is very spacious. I was caught between the 21-inch bag or the 26-inch because at first I was just going to get it and have it just as like a crossbody bag. But then I was like, no, you know what? That's the type of bag that I would be interested in carrying every day. So again, that's what it looks like. And this is the back of it. It also has a pocket right there. So I like the way that they have compartmentalized this bag so that you can get the most out of it and get a full usage for it. And then of course it also has the little Coach tag right there. So let me show you guys what it looks like on. Let me set you guys back a little bit further so you can really see and get an idea for how it carries. Y'all, this bag is so bad. Baby, she is stunning. And to me, it fits really nice up under your arm, right? And so let me show you guys what it looks like carrying it crossbody, because I will carry it both ways. And it's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. So I love how multifunctional it is. Y'all, this bag is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love this bag so much, and I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on it, because you guys know with these designer bags, they will make, you know, but so many. And after a while, once they sell out, you can't get your hands on them. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like wearing it crossbody style. And she is absolutely perfect. She's perfect. So y'all, I loved this bag so much that your girl had to get a second one. Yes, y'all, I went on ahead and got me 2 of them. One thing that you're gonna find out about me is that if I love something, I will more than likely have more than one of that particular item. So let me go ahead and put this one back in the duster bag, and let me show you guys the second bag that I picked up. Y'all, they had so many good colors, and I almost ordered a third bag, but I was like, Erica, let's not get carried away, because the ones that I did pick up are so versatile as far as color and style, you know, that they can go with anything. So that's the second one. Y'all, she's a beauty. I love her. Loved the black one so much, y'all. I had to go and get the brown one. I had to have the chocolate one, y'all, with that gold, with that kind of like muted gold. See that hardware? Look at her. Woo-hoo! She is stunning. Absolutely love, love, love the brown one as well. The leather is super soft, super, super soft, and it smells so good. And yes, y'all, I just love the muted gold with these bags as well. So that is the brown one. And she does not disappoint at all. Love this bag so much. And I highly, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I'll probably go ahead and start carrying this bag tomorrow. Just depending on what I'm wearing, the brown or the black one. But y'all, I wanted to get myself ready for the fall because fall fashion is my favorite. And like, I've been shopping like crazy. Like, if you've gone back to see some of my other videos, I've got a Zara haul. And I've just been, you know, getting myself ready with like just all of the fall fashion. And I figured that these bags would be a good accessory piece for that, and that it would complement, you know, a lot of the outfits that I have gotten. So you guys, one last look at the 26-inch Tabby. Also want to give you guys a nice close-up so you can really just get a feel for how big the bag is. But it really does have really good depth. And like I said, you can get plenty in here. My iPhone will fit with no problem. A slimmer type of wallet, I feel, would fit in this bag just fine, and you wouldn't have any issues with it. But yeah, y'all, I absolutely love, 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 love these bags. And so glad I was able to get my hands on it. And y'all, I'm telling you, she is definitely inspired by the Coach bag because it is giving. I'm sorry, she's inspired by the Chanel bag because it's giving Chanel. Y'all, if anybody else has this bag or has been looking at getting this bag, meet me down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Tabbies and how they have been working for you. I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this bag. I'll be able to have this bag for several years to come because, like I said, the quality, the leather and everything on this bag is just so good. And I take care of my stuff, right? So I'm going to, you know, handle the bags with care and just enjoy them, y'all. So yeah, that is my Coach bag unboxing. I hope that you guys have enjoyed the bags right along with me. If you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have been doing several hauls over here lately. The fashion bug has definitely bitten me, and your girl has just been doing all the shopping, and yeah, I'm totally here for it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.